Some guys simply don't have time to fuss over their hair, but that doesn't mean they don't want to look their best. That's where the brush cut comes in. It's a style that's quick to cut and easy to maintain. We'll show you just how easy it really is. Rolando is using the Wahl Elite Pro, but any wall clipper will work for the brush cut. This cut is great because it shows off your face, so we want to keep the hair close to the head. Remember, guide combs with lower numbers will give you a shorter cut. We'll start with a number 2, but we'll also need a number 4, number 6, and number 8, and a spray bottle of water. Dampen the hair and comb it out before you start to cut. Starting in front of the right ear, cut all the way around the sides and back of the head with a number 2 guide comb, down to the nape of the neck, like Rolando is doing. For a consistent cut that gives the brush cut its polished look, try to use constant strokes that go against the grain, cutting upward. For the brush cut, the hair on top of the head needs to be kept longer. Change to a number 8 guide comb and cut front to back with smooth, even strokes. Once you've cut the top, blend it with the hair at the back of the head. Rolando will do this with 2 different guide combs. First, a number 4, then closer to the top with a number 6 to achieve a more gradual blend. With the number 4 comb, run the clipper straight up between sections 2 and 3 with smooth strokes, using the upward rocking motion. Then blend the rim of the head with the top, using the number 6 comb. To get the brush cut's tight, clean look, don't forget to touch up the sideburns and the area around the nape of the neck. The brush cut is perfect for guys who want a quick cut, and as you can see, it really lets your face stand out. Simply style the hair on top to stand up like a brush, and you have a great look you can easily cut on your own.